If you're in the market for an ERP or similar operational software, you may have heard about Microsoft Dynamics GP. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm an ERP sales consultant at Cargas. Let's explore what GP is, how much it costs, and where this legacy software stands so you can make the best purchasing decision for your business. Be sure to visit the link in the description after this video so you can get even more info on GP. Dynamics GP is one of Microsoft's oldest ERP systems. It was originally created by Great Plains Software in the early 80s to run on DOS. A Windows-based version was released in 1993. Great Plains was purchased by Microsoft in 2000, and Dynamics GP was born. GP's feature set includes financial tools for your GL, AP, and AR, inventory control, purchase order processing, production scheduling, reconciliations, requisitions, and more. Under Microsoft's perpetual license model, companies purchasing Dynamics GP pay a $5,000 flat rate for a starter pack. This includes 3 user licenses with concurrent full-fledged access to the software. Additional user licenses can be purchased based on how much software functionality the roles require. Implementation costs start between $25,000 and $35,000 for core accounting, though distribution and manufacturing packages cost more. Beyond these initial setup costs, businesses must purchase enhancement plans, which range from 18% to 25% of the total license value. In 2023, Microsoft announced changes to GP's licensing model and future availability. Starting April 1st, 2025, no new perpetual licenses will be sold. Subscription licenses will be available, but these require partnering with a third-party cloud hosting service to manage the software, which can add to your costs. Starting April 1st, 2026, no new GP licenses can be sold at all. In anticipation of these changes, many Microsoft partners, including Cargas, have stopped offering new GP licenses. It doesn't make sense for businesses to invest in Dynamics GP right now. This software is 3 decades old, and Microsoft has made it clear that they're moving on from Dynamics GP in favor of more modern, intuitive, cloud-based solutions. In fact, version 18.5, which was released in 2023, was the final update for Dynamics GP. Although GP will receive routine maintenance for the foreseeable future, GP will not get new features, and the chance for integrations and customizations breaking will skyrocket. Although Microsoft is keeping GP licenses available through April 2026, the software will be pricey to keep afloat, especially if paired with more modern solutions. And maybe most importantly, staying on legacy software like GP opens your business to cybersecurity threats, including hacks that can take down your entire system. Dynamics GP is taking its final bows, but that doesn't mean you're out of options. Current Dynamics GP users are jumping ship and migrating to modern solutions from trusted developers like Microsoft and Sage. If you want to stay with Microsoft, one option is Business Central, Microsoft's premier ERP for large and mid-sized businesses. Business Central has the same capabilities as Dynamics GP, with the added benefits of a cloud platform and seamless connections to Microsoft 365 and the Power Platform. Business Central's features are especially powerful for manufacturers and distributors, but businesses from countless industries can benefit from the software. If you're looking for an all-in-one operational system with a good GL, check out Business Central. Another option is Sage Intacct, software built mainly for accounting. Sage Intacct is the only accounting software endorsed by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and it's best in class, which means it integrates with other operational solutions to give you the best possible suite of features. If you're looking for the strongest GL package out there, Intact is it. It can be hard to keep up with all the changes coming to GP, but Cargas is here to help. We've been with GP since 1993, back when it was known as Great Plains. And we've been a Microsoft partner since 2001. We've seen the evolution of GP, as well as the innovations Microsoft and Sage have brought to the table. And we're happy to help you figure out the best move for your business. Remember to visit cargas.com for even more info on Microsoft, GP, Sage, and other software to boost your business.